It's about 6 a.m. on December 3rd, 2011. Just waking up for the day in Norton, Kansas, and things going on a little bit quicker than we expected. Already some pretty decent sized snowflakes falling right now. They upgraded us to a winter storm warning. Short-term models are starting to hint at potential for 8 to 10 inches. Definitely a little bit higher than everyone was thinking. We kind of had a pretty good idea that this could happen. That's kind of why we made our way out here. So, like I said, some pretty good flakes falling right now. We're going to go get some quick breakfast and head out and get out in the heart of it, I guess. It's about 8 a.m. on the 3rd, just outside our hotel here. Snow's beginning to pick up a little bit after quieting down for a while. Got some nice snow banding occurring on radar, so we're going to see what that can do. So still definitely looking at some heavier snow this afternoon.
For 1023, we're at the 123. There's a black Toyota pickup here in the ditch, but I don't think it's stuck. It might just be out hunting, but I'll check on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty slick.
Ugh.